Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be testing the A-iPower 7100. You guys seen this generator before? Now we're going to do a full load test on it. We're going to see exactly what it runs on the RV. I'm going to try to power the 2 ACs, 1 AC and a microwave with the refrigerator, DB test in between, and see how loud it gets. All right, I have it connected to the generator already using the adapter. Because this has a 4-pin twist lock, we're going to adapt it to a 50 amp plug because my RV is a 50 amp RV. Use this monitor to see what we're pulling. I'm going to be using a 50 amp surge protector just to keep everything safe. This ATGFOX 50 amp. It has the 50 amp plug like you need on your RV. All right. So I'm going to be using this surge protector. I have all the links in the description. If you want to get one of these, check the links. It will be in the description. So we're going to use the surge protector to keep everything safe. If the generator puts out low power or high power, I want it to shut off and protect my RV. That's why I use the surge protector, and I think you should too, especially when you run it on your RVs. Because this has a floating system, all right, so the neutral floating, I need a bonding plug. So I'm going to bond this generator so I can use that surge protector. Guys, let's get the test started. First thing we're going to do is do a unloaded DB test. Once I get about halfway, I'll do another DB test, and full load, I'll do a third DB test. Let's get started. Let's get the generator running. Power, fuel, and start. All right, there you go. Right about 23 feet. About 56.7 unloaded. Let's get it connected. Let's turn on the ACs, refrigerator, and see what it does. Okay, so I just turned on the surge protector. Everything's correct. Let's check out all the power. Leg 1, leg 2. Doing right about 32 watts on this one, and 147 on this one. Okay, we're inside the RV, all lights on. First thing we always do is turn on the refrigerator. We're gonna come right here and turn on both ACs. I'm gonna turn both ACs on, see if it will handle the refrigerator and 2 ACs. One came on. It's pretty cold, so I have to lower it real low for them to come on. The rear AC is on. Doing about 1,000 watts on this one. Other one just came on. That's just a fan that the compressor come on. See, it's pulling right about 2.1. This has a power meter too, so you can use this as well. All right, so that's about halfway. Let's do a DB test halfway, 2.2. Right about 60.7 with about 2,200 watts on it. All right, we're back inside. Let's see if we can run the microwave. I got some water in there. 1 minute. All right, let's go check the power. 23. It's right about max on one leg. Almost maxed out on one leg. Got 23.75. We're getting close to that. So in order to max this out, I'm gonna have to find a load on the other leg, 1 minute on the microwave and 1 minute on the other leg. See if we can get that full load. No, we're looking for 5,700. That's what we're trying to pull. That's the max running. In order to max this thing out, I'm gonna have to turn the stove on high and the microwave on 1 minute at the same time to shut this. All right, 1 minute on the microwave and the stove's on high. Let's see if we get 5,000. $20 on this one, 23.9 on this leg. It's right about 5.4. 5.7 is the max. I need one more load and this thing will be maxed out. $71.4, 70.6, right about there. It's pretty close to max. It is not loud at all. That's not bad. All right, guys. Seems like that's the best I can do. Right about 54. I can turn on my water heater, but that will go over. So that's right about 57. Water's boiling. My microwave's boiling. And it was freezing in here. Turn this off. All right, so because it's cold out here already, you can tell by the grass, it's cold. The AC wasn't pulling the full load. So I got right about 5,400, 5,500. You know, I just need 200 more watts to get it to its rated wattage. But because of the cold, the AC wasn't running all the power it needed to pull to stretch this thing out. It's nice and cool. So we're gonna have to retest this once it gets hot. But we got to the rated wattage, well, close to it. So I hope you guys like this test. I couldn't max it out. Just the AC just wasn't pulling enough power because it's so cool outside right now. But there you have it. A-iPower, 7100 watt. I think it's a real quiet generator. Hopefully when we do this test to the other 7100s, you guys can kind of see that when the AC is pulling its peak load, that it would have maxed that out already. All right, guys, so just a quick test. A-iPower 7100. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We'll have to do this test when it's a little warmer. Just AC wasn't pulling enough power to overload it. And everything's running real nice and real smooth right now. Okay? Guys, thanks for watching this channel. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Bye.